Welcome back. Spell Bee, India Spells 2013. We move on to round 2 now. Each contestant will be given 2 words with increasing degree of difficulty, but also with increasing points if spelled correctly. The 2 highest scoring contestants will go on to round 3, where a head-to-head encounter will ensue. One of you will be rewarded with this magnificent trophy, as well as the cash prize of 50,000 rupees. And we will start round 2 with Mithila, who is now at 10 points. Welcome back, Mithila. This is your chance to make back some points. All the best. Your first word in round 2 is pellucid, meaning translucently clear.
Pellucid.
That's correct.
P-E-L-L-U-C-I-D.
That is absolutely correct. Very well done. That wins you 20 very important points. The next word is facetious.
Facetious.
That is correct.
F-A-C-E-T-I-O-U-S.
Absolutely correct. It's one of my favorite words, actually, because it has all the letters of the vowel in order of sequence, A-E-I-O-U. Did you know that? That puts your cumulative total at the moment as 55 points. Well played. Let's now welcome Medha to the podium for round 2. All the very best. Let's start round 2. Your first word for 20 points is malfeasance.
Malfeasance.
That is correct.
Can I have the definition, please?
It means wrongdoing, especially by a public official.
Can I have its language of origin?
It is from Old French.
Malfeasance. M-A-L-F-E-A-S-A-N-C-E. Malfeasance.
That is absolutely correct. Your second word to spell for 25 points is opprobrious, expressing scorn or criticism.
Opprobrious. A-P-P-R-O-B-I-U-S. Opprobrious.
I'm afraid that's incorrect. The accurate spelling is O-P-P-R-O-B-R-I-O-U-S. You still have an opportunity to make it through to our final round, but that all depends on our next 2 contestants. Let's call the first of them. He is our only he today, and it is, of course, Oishik Ray from Kolkata. Oishik, your first word for 20 points. That word is pusillanimous, meaning showing a lack of courage or determination, being timid. Pusillanimous.
May I please have the language of origin?
It is of Latin origin.
Pusillanimous. Am I pronouncing this correctly?
That is correct.
P-U-S-I-L-L-A-N-I-M-O-U-S. Pusillanimous.
Absolutely correct. Your second word in round 2. Egregious or egregious, meaning outstandingly bad or shocking.
Egregious. E-G-R-E-G-I-O-U-S. Egregious.
Your total at the moment stands at 75 points. Very well done. Our final contestant in round 2, let's welcome her, Atreyi Ghoshal from Bangalore. This round, Atreyi will decide whether you go through to our final round or not. The next 2 words are crucial. The first word we would like you to spell correctly for 20 points is connoisseur.
May I have the meaning, please?
A person who is especially competent to pass critical judgments in an art, particularly one of the fine arts, or in matters of taste. A discerning judge of the best in any field. A connoisseur or a connoisseur.
May I have the language of origin?
Latin origin via Old French via French.
Okay. C-O-N Noiseur.
And that gives you 20 further points, taking your total to 50. If you spell this word correctly, you will go through to our final round. That word is puissance or puissance.
May I have the meaning, please?
Great power, influence, or prowess. Can you pronounce it for me?
Puissance.
That is correct.
Okay. Puissance.
That is absolutely correct. Which means at the end of round 2, our leaderboard stands as in 4th place with 50 points, Medha Prakash. In 3rd place with 55 points, Mithila Edward Menezes. But the two who have qualified with a tie of 75 points for our final round are Oishik Ray and Atreyi Ghoshal with 75 points. Very well done. Who's going to get ahead? Find out after the break.